Hey YouTubers, it's Darkchild1974 here. Today is January 18th, 2012. I was trying to get this video out yesterday, but I was feeling sick. The weather here on the East Coast has been kind of crazy. It's been bouncing up from 50s and 60s down to the 20s, feeling like the teens. Even in one day it does this, so it's been wreaking havoc on a lot of people's bodies around here. But I have some great stories to share with you, so please stick around. First thing, there was a full halo coronal mass ejection that was thrown off by the sun the last couple of days. It is headed towards Venus and Earth. I want to talk also about the strange noises that are being heard around the world. In my last video I showed a couple YouTube clips. I have some more and some working theories on that. Space farts! How flatulence is important in space travel. And last I would like to show you some illustrations done by an astronomer back in 1890. So let's get started. First thing I want to show you, this is a real-time image of the sun, and the area that we are talking about is in the upper left-hand corner, right here. There's a couple of sunspots, and as you can see, it's throwing up these huge loops, filament loops, prominences, and this is actually where the full halo coronal mass ejection came from. Let me show you a different picture. This is the magnetogram showing the different charges on the sun, positive and negative. So as you can see, this area right here is crazy. Let me show you that full halo coronal mass ejection, and we'll go to SOHO here. Let's get this started. So you see one come out from the side here, and the other one will come out from the top. Check that out. Let me show that to you again. So this coronal mass ejection did throw out a whole bunch of debris into the solar system, and as you can see by this, this is the sun here, this is Venus, this is Earth, and that was thrown off. You can see the breaks here. So we'll be hitting Venus. They said that it could take off a small top layer of Venus's atmosphere. And I was like, that's kind of weird. But then I remember that Venus doesn't have an electromagnetic field like the Earth does to protect it. But it won't be that destructive to Venus. So with us, probably what we'll be seeing, definitely have a geomagnetic storm. Most likely be seeing the aurora borealis. So if you're in the northern latitude, check that out. Alright, next thing I want to talk about were those strange noises that have been hearing around the world. And, you know, the first couple ones I thought, wow, it's fake. You know, somebody's just pulling our legs, or it could be a marketing campaign for a new movie. You know, you just need to be careful about what you believe in, so especially on YouTube. But I've been doing more research, and there's just a lot more people that are talking about this, and more videos are coming out, so it doesn't seem like it's a fake. The last clip I did, the last video I played a clip that there was one in Costa Rica, and what I found out is a couple days later this volcano erupted in Costa Rica. So maybe that has something to do with it. But let me play a couple new clips. This was in Chile. It's kind of late there, but it's the same sound. Play you another one. This was in Mexico. As you can tell, this is loud. This isn't something that is quiet. These people can even hear this in their own house. And the last one I wanted to show you, this is even creepier because these people look like they're rangers or I don't know, maybe they're there cutting down trees or electrical lines or something, but these guys are workers, and you know, they're in the forest and they hear this. This was in Conklin, Alberta, Canada. So not only do you see the people reacting to this, you can also hear the birds reacting to it, which is another indication that this probably isn't fake. Now, yes, volcanic activity has increased by 500%. It could be related to earthquakes. It could be related to volcanic activity. There is another theory that I've been looking at too. This is from National Geographic. NASA just came out saying that they have what's considered spacequakes, and these are the equivalent to like 6 or 7 magnitude earthquakes in space. And as you'll see, the solar wind comes, interacts with the magnetic field of the Earth, whips back and goes into our atmosphere. Maybe that's what is causing these weird trumpet-like sounds. But I will show you a diagram here of what I'm talking about. So as you can see, by solar wind, it does distort the magnetic field of the Earth. And when it loops around back like that and shoots back, maybe the blasts that are occurring in the upper atmosphere are causing these sounds. But why hasn't anybody heard this before? There has been some random cases of sonic booms in the sky, space quakes. So I just wanted to point that out. Other people are saying that it's just part of the Earth expansion. You know, there's some people saying that with the evolution of the Earth actually grows inside, so we're just hearing the rumblings and the noises from that. I mean, to me, it sounds like Godzilla or some kind of a horn being blown, but there's nothing around these places. There's no construction, there's no, cruise ships, nothing of that sort. Well, strange stuff. Next story, space farts. NASA just released a study that they did back in 1969, and detailing the dangers of farts in space. And what they were doing was they were taking in the breath and the rectal gases for a couple weeks to see how they could generate a better diet for the astronauts. So, they have less gas. Because what happened was they really thought that flatulence in space could trigger a huge explosion. Who knew? It's interesting how all these years later we finally get to see something like this. But farts in space. Lovely. Last thing I wanted to talk about is there's an astronomer, actually it was an entomologist turned astronomer, created 6,000 astronomical illustrations for Harvard College. So these are kind of cool. This dates back to 1890. See some aurora borealis here, eclipsing of the sun. Go back here sometimes. Got Jupiter there, the moon, Mars. So take a look at that when you can. Some cool stuff. If you're like me, you appreciate well done art. especially illustrations like this of flowers or space or whatever. So let me know what you think of this video. If you like it, click on the like button. If you want to talk about anything here, especially these strange noises, I would love to discuss this because it's creepy, it's happening all over. I really think there should be somebody looking into it. If they're not going to be looking into it, we should be looking into it. So, hope everybody has a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.